Have you ever wondered how many incredible secrets our world is hiding? Today, I am going to share with you 10 mind-blowing facts that will change the way you see everything. Let's jump right into it. Fact number 1. Did you know the Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of Earth's oxygen? This vast, sprawling jungle, often called the lungs of the planet, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our atmosphere. Without its incredible biodiversity and photosynthetic power, life on our planet would be very different. The sheer scale of this contribution is staggering when you think about it, highlighting just how vital it is to protect these precious ecosystems for the health of our entire world. It's a constant, living factory producing the very air we breathe. Fact number 2. Here is something surprising about the animal kingdom. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. That's right, 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts are dedicated to pumping blood through the gills, while the third, larger heart circulates blood to the rest of the body. And why is their blood blue? Unlike humans, whose blood is iron-based, octopus blood uses a copper-based protein called hemocyanin to transport oxygen, which gives it a distinct blue color. It's a fascinating adaptation for life in the deep, cold ocean. Fact number 3. This might shock you, but botanically speaking, bananas are berries, while strawberries are not. It all comes down to the scientific definition of a berry, which is a fruit that develops from a single flower with 1 ovary and typically contains its seeds on the inside. Bananas, grapes, and even avocados fit this description perfectly. Strawberries, on the other hand, develop from a flower with multiple ovaries, making them an aggregate accessory fruit. The tiny seeds you see on the outside are actually the true fruits. Fact number 4. Believe it or not, honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are thousands of years old, and they're still perfectly edible. This incredible longevity is thanks to honey's unique chemical makeup. It's naturally very low in moisture and extremely acidic, creating an environment where bacteria and other microorganisms simply cannot survive. It's nature's perfect preservative, a sweet treat that can literally last for millennia. Fact number 5. Sharks are older than trees. Can you believe that? They've been swimming in our oceans for over 400 million years. To put that into perspective, the first trees didn't appear on Earth until about 350 million years ago. This means these ancient predators were ruling the seas long before the first forests ever grew. Sharks have survived multiple mass extinctions and have evolved into the efficient and diverse group of animals we know today. They are true living fossils. Fact number 6. Here is another crazy one. The Eiffel Tower isn't always the same height. In the heat of the Parisian summer, it can grow up to 15 centimeters taller. This phenomenon is due to a simple principle of physics called thermal expansion. The iron structure of the tower expands when it gets hot and contracts when it cools down. So, if you visit on a scorching summer day, you're actually seeing a slightly taller version of the iconic landmark than you would in the middle of winter. Fact number 7. This one is truly mind-bending. A single teaspoon of material from a neutron star would weigh about 6 billion tons. A neutron star is the incredibly dense collapsed core of a massive star that has gone supernova. The gravitational forces are so immense that they crush protons and electrons together to form neutrons, packing an astronomical amount of mass into a tiny space. To give you an idea, that 1 teaspoon would weigh more than 900 Great Pyramids of Giza combined. Fact number 8. The human brain has more connections than the Milky Way has stars. Our brains contain roughly 86 billion neurons, and each of these neurons can form thousands of connections, known as synapses, with other neurons. The total number of these synaptic connections is estimated to be in the trillions, potentially reaching over a quadrillion. This intricate network is far more complex than the estimated 100 to 400 billion stars in our home galaxy, making the human brain the most sophisticated object known in the universe. Fact number 9. This might sound impossible, but sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. A dolphin needs to surface for air every 10 minutes or so, but a three-toed sloth can stay submerged for up to 40 minutes. They achieve this incredible feat by slowing their heart rate down to just 1/3 of its normal pace, conserving precious oxygen. This adaptation is incredibly useful for them when they occasionally swim or need to evade predators by hiding underwater. Fact number 10: Antarctica is the driest, coldest, and windiest continent on Earth. While we often think of deserts as hot and sandy, a desert is technically defined by its low precipitation. Antarctica is the largest desert in the world because it receives very little snowfall, especially in its interior. It also holds the record for the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth, a bone-chilling -89.2 degrees Celsius. On top of that, fierce winds, called katabatic winds, can race down its icy slopes at speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour. And that was 10 incredible facts about our world. Which one surprised you the most? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more amazing facts, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world.